Hi, this is Professor Sanchez, and the goal of this video is to help you get acquainted with the online portion of our class. Just to clarify about the hybrid course, we will be meeting 1 day a week in person, and the rest of the week will take place online. For the online section of the course, you can just do the work on your own time, so there's no time that we all need to be logged in together, as long as you submit your work by the deadlines. The only time we might meet online is to do an online conference or online office hours, which we'll schedule at a time that works for you. This is the homepage you get here by clicking on the class from the dashboard. It gives you some basic instructions about navigating the class, and you'll see that to get to the content you want to click on modules. There are also tabs over here like grades, people, syllabus, where you can go to look at your grades, email people in the class, and check out our syllabus. You can download the syllabus by clicking here, and you can also review it here. I'd like you to take a look at this before you come to class on Wednesday so that we can address any questions that you might have. I will have a hard copy printed out to give to you, so you don't need to print it before then, unless you'd like to. So clicking on modules to get started, you can have an overview of this week. There's also a module down here with some resources. You can only see week 1, but I will be opening week 2 later in the week. We start the week with an overview that tells you what you need to accomplish this week. I have it broken down into 3 categories, which should hopefully help you organize your time. This is what you need to do before class. So 2 things this week. Look over the syllabus, like I already said, and introduce yourself through the discussion board for this week. So you'll want to do that before you come to class on Wednesday. Our classroom objectives are here, and then the online objectives for the rest of the week after class until Sunday are listed down here. You can click Next to go to the next page. I always post a thought of the week to try to inspire you and get you thinking positive going into the new week. So you want to take a look at that. Here's our discussion. I have instructions here for what I want you to write about. We're going to be able to get to know each other a little bit, but also begin to talk about happiness in a deeper way than we might in class, because everyone is going to be able to talk in here and converse with each other in the discussion. So you'll post your response, and then you'll respond to at least 2 of your peers. So I posted my response here. The way that you do that is you click on reply. You can type here and then click post. If you want to reply to another person's post, you click reply below their post, and you can write it here. You can also like people's posts by clicking on the thumbs up. Here are our reading assignments for the first week. These are from the book Pursuing Happiness, and these are links to other sites. So basically, we're going to have a quiz this week on the week's reading, so you want to make sure that you do read and you're familiar with things. Some of the sources are very specific, like you could print this out and annotate it, and that would be helpful to you. Other websites like MLA General Format, you might not want to print this. You can just pull it up when you need to see how to set up your paper. So it depends on the type of source, how you will read it. The next page is the reading quiz. Note that you do get 2 attempts to take the quiz, and you should use your printed articles with the annotations to do your best. The last assignment for this week that you'll do is an essay. We'll talk about this in class, but the goal is to just get a little bit of an idea about your writing, and you just click here when you have your assignment done to submit your file uploads. You'll have to submit 2 pictures of your annotations and then your response. Make sure that you are submitting that, your writing part, in Microsoft Word. There's a page here on plagiarism. This is really important in this class and all your classes, so you want to read through this, and there are some outside links as well as a video to help you understand it better. Lastly, if your book didn't come in yet, here is the article for the diagnostic essay. All right, so hopefully you're ready to do what you need to do before class, which is look at the syllabus and post in the discussion. Everything else we'll talk a little bit more when I see you, but in the meantime, if you have any questions or problems, please reach out to me and let me know. You can call me during office hours or you can email me anytime and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. All right, I'll look forward to meeting you soon.